In the journey over the last 2-3 years, right? I mean, it's a market driven by unprecedented amount of retail flows. Remember, foreign institutional investors haven't really participated in this rally in the last 2-3 years. They've been in and out, but it's like I said, it's unprecedented, partly because there is a structural move towards financial savings in India. Indians have historically loved the real estate and gold. Finally, they've taken a liking to the markets. It's been a decade-long story, but there's also a cyclical element of FOMO, where investors are jumping onto the bandwagon, and that's only piling up. Both direct investments into the markets and flows into domestic mutual funds, which are unabated. They're not looking like slowing down, despite a few blips in between. We had the sort of down move on the election results day, but we bounced back quite strongly from that.
That was quite something, right?
Absolutely. I mean, people thought that this would be an inflection point in the market where there will be some sort of pause, or at least semblance of rationality returning to the market.
So you think the market is irrational?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, as a long-only fundamental investor, we struggle to see value in the market across the board. Perhaps if you leave aside private sector banks, it's hard to justify valuations, especially given the earnings trajectory. Although fundamentally, the macro indicators look good and strong, perhaps stronger than ever, at least from a medium-term perspective. But that's become more than a consensus view now and reflected in valuations. But yeah, I mean, never seen this sort of a retail flow, so don't ask me how this will correct and how to go from here.